Deja Pussy. Dilî Dilî Dilî. Hey, let's go. Prestige. BZ Kurdistan. Hey, welcome to Kurdish Munchie TV. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Afro Kurd. You know what I'm saying? Do not call me Varasho or you will be automatically blocked. Letting you guys know, I know what it means. Yo, and that means that you're racist. Okay? So we're going to just keep it and put it like that. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to Kurdish TikTok. You know what I'm saying? My boy, my Kurdish bro. You know what I'm saying? For Kurdistan. You know what I'm saying? He asked, send me this link about 2 weeks ago. I'm so sorry, my boy. You know what I'm saying? That I'm just reacting to it now. You know what I'm saying? I have several channels, you know what I'm saying, that this is not my main channel that I upload to, okay? If you like Turkish content, you can go check out Turkish Munchie TV, all right, on YouTube. But anyway, let's get into this song, this male, you know what I'm saying, Kurdish singer by the name of Dilo Doxan. You know what I'm saying? The song's called Dilî Dilî. Now this reminds me of the Georgian word Dila. So do Dilî mean yes? Let me know in the comment section. Because in Georgia, meaning the country Georgia, Georgians, you know what I'm saying, which is located near Europe and was it Central Asia or something like that? Yeah, something like that. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? This is, you know what I'm saying, Kurdistani Munchie TV. Let's get into this reaction video. Slaw to all my Kurds. Hiya, baby. Oh, we got snow. Oh, this is a music video. I thought this was audio. Dilî, hey. Dilî, yes. Hey. Deja Pussy. Ashkuji. I like it, you know what I'm saying? It look cold as hell out there, you know what I'm saying? But it look like it might not be like super cold. Because he do got, that jacket do look warm. That jacket is nice too, by the way, you know what I'm saying? So Dilî Dilî, he riding on a snow ski, you know what I'm saying? So this is Kurdistan in the wintertime, y'all. Let me know in the comment section. Yes, yes. Prestige. Dilî. Deja Pussy. I'll say delay means good. Do delay means good or something? I don't know. I just thought about that. Dila means in Georgian means yes. Belay is yes in Kurdish. Oh my God. He just said belay. I'm like, wait, why the hell did I say, or why did I ask, do delay means yes? Whoa. You know what I'm saying? Smack myself. So you don't have to do it. Hey, I want some Kurdish burgers and Kurdish that's an Eastern Border. Hot dog. Hey, me. She said yes. She don't look like she Kurdish. You know what I'm saying? She like she's straight Caucasian. But hey, you know what I'm saying? I do see some Kurdish features in her, like in her eyes. So she might live like in Turkey or something like that. I don't know. Gang, gang, gang. Jumpy Steve. Aşkı yanka. You now ganging with the Kurdish region in Serbia. He got a song, I forget what it's called, but he got a scene just like this. I wonder if it's the same shot because the snow looks so beautiful. You know what I'm saying? The landscape itself just so beautiful. All that snow, you know what I'm saying? All the trees covered with snow. You know what I'm saying? Geographically beautiful. You know what I'm saying? I love that. I'm not even sure, and I don't think that was in Kurdistan. I believe that was in somewhere where y'all go skiing and stuff like that. Because I seen this in the Serbian. I know that location looked too familiar. He just took different shots. It's not the same exact what's the name. But one thing I noticed that the video is so crystal clear that you could tell that the quality of the air, which I'm just guessing, makes a lot of sense though logically. Like helps the beautiful and the clearness of the video that they shot. So that's another thing I noticed. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful though. I like this song. You know what I'm saying? It was about relationships. It was about love. It was about falling in love, then getting married. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully one day I get married. You know what I'm saying? I gotta find me a girlfriend first though. You know what I'm saying? And then work on that. You know what I'm saying? And then in the future, in some years, then we could work on that. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Dilî Dilî, Dilî Dilî. Won't you tell me what does it mean? Dilî Dilî, Dilî Dilî. Won't you tell me what it means? Hey, Zorzo Swapaz, slaw to all my Kurds. You know what I'm saying? See you guys in the next Kurdish reaction video. Be lit, yes. Wow, nice. What a cool hand.